Hi Bulls, welcome back. Thank you for continuing, of course, my wig making journey. First things first, we have bleached knots. Second, we went ahead and doubled the tracks, and you can see those two on. I'll leave the links below, and I'll also have them at the end of this video. Don't ask me why I didn't put my blockhead on the stand. I was being lazy and I just went ahead and sewed it on the table. So I'm hand sewing the frontal down first, and then I always sew it down on the sewing machine second. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my sewing machine. As you can see, I already sewed a lot of the tracks already down. I believe I was a bundle and a half in at this point. So I'm just going in a C shape. Of course, I pinned my tracks down. I always do that. It keeps them in place so that I don't have to outstretch the cap. There are no bumps, no grooves. Everything lays flat, nice and neat. And of course, I always go back and forth from the sewing machine to the blockhead to make sure that everything is fitting correctly. Take the pins out. I try to keep them in the same place so I don't have to be looking for them. I'll either drop them or I just have to find more. I have a lot inside of this blockhead, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I place this track onto here. I traced them very, very close. Very close. So I don't overlap them, but I do place them very, very close where they're pretty much touching. Every track is touching. And I do cut all of my tracks because it helps it lay a lot flatter. I'm not about to double these tracks and then do a flip over method. That's entirely too much. I'm going to go ahead and split this down the middle and open this up so you guys can see what I was talking about. How I said I keep the tracks very, very close together. So unless they are lifting up the hair a lot, you will not see this cap at all. You can put this in pigtails, 2 braids to the back, whatever you like, without your tracks showing. I'm going to go ahead and run the rest of these tracks through here to finish this C shape right here. Going from one side of the frontal to the other. Just lightly gliding the cap through the sewing machine. So I'm done sewing all my tracks in the C shape. I'm going to go ahead and place them across all the way up to the top. And I want to place the ends. I'm placing the ends to where they overlap this top track. And I'm also pinning them to that track as well. It'll help keep the track sturdy so that it doesn't bulk up right here at the top. So it'll keep everything nice, neat, and flat once I put it on the sewing machine. Now see that you can't see the track because I have it overlapped. And I'm going to sew that, though I sew those ends down really, really good, really neat, so that everything is seamless. So it's not like bulky. You won't run your hands through it and feel the corners of those tracks, any of those tracks. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just taking the cap and placing it back onto the canvas head. Same exact thing I always do. I just didn't have it inside of the camera this time. If you want to see that, you can, of course, go to my channel. And I'll also leave a link below where I have the full video where I do all of that. So my knots are bleached throughout this entire wig. Well, they're bleached throughout the frontal part, I mean. Now it's time to whip up these edges. I am using this double-sided edge brush as a brush and a comb. My got to be fantastic collagen mousse. I love this mousse. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm also using this razor comb. I'm going to take a very, very, very thin layer at the front. Maybe like 10 strands. Shade them down. And those will be my edges. And I'm just going to do this. I'm going to do this with really small sections. So I'm not going to do the whole hairline at once. I'm doing this in really, really small sections. And you can use a pen like I used a hair clip to get the longer strands out of the way. Moves those down, moves only the edges down. I did move down the top for the flyaways. So I'm just gonna swish, swish, whip these up. Whoop, whoop. Whip, whip, whip. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my mesh wrap and wrap this around here. It's gonna hold my edges in place. I let them air dry. You can get this mesh wrap from Walmart, Sally's, or your local beauty supply. And wham, bam, yes, 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 she is complete. She is so beautiful. I did put her up on my website. I also put her up on Amazon. So this is not a custom order. She is for sale. Like I said, she's on Amazon and my website as well. I want to take this time out to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you do not miss absolutely any other videos that I have coming up. Make sure you like and follow my Instagram and Facebook. I go live on my Facebook a lot. And upcoming things are always on my Instagram as well. And here's a couple videos right here to make sure that you watch. These go in connection with this video. This is the bleach knots tutorial, and this is the doubling the tracks video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.